In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change default download location or download path on Google Chrome app. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You will see the 3 vertical dots there. Click on those dots to open the main Chrome menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page where you can control many parts of how the browser works. On the left-hand side, you will see a sidebar with different categories. In that sidebar, click on Downloads. After opening the Downloads section, look for the Location area. This is where Chrome shows the folder that is currently being used as the default download path. If you want your downloaded files to go somewhere else, click the Change button next to that location. A file browser window will appear. This is where you can browse through the folders on your computer and choose the new location you want Chrome to use. Take a moment to pick a folder that is easy for you to access later. Once you find the folder you want, select it, and then click Select Folder or Choose, depending on what your system shows. After that, Chrome will save the new location automatically. That covers everything you need to know.